Welcome back to the channel, fellow auto enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated luxury vans of the future, the 2026 Toyota PROACE. Redesigned and reimagined as a stunning modern motorhome, the new PROACE promises to redefine how we travel in style, comfort, and efficiency. At first glance, the front design of the 2026 PROACE is nothing short of breathtaking. Toyota's designers have introduced an aggressive yet refined grille, seamlessly blended with sleek LED matrix headlights that create a signature look both day and night. The large bumper air intakes don't just look sporty, they help keep the engine and systems cool. The sculpted hood lines flow perfectly into the windshield, giving the PROACE a dynamic stance usually reserved for premium SUVs rather than utility vans. It's a perfect mix of functionality and high-end design. Moving to the rear, the 2026 PROACE continues to impress. The LED taillights feature a futuristic wraparound design, connected by a bold light bar that spans the width of the tailgate. The rear bumper is clean and minimalist, featuring subtle chrome elements and integrated sensors. And let's not forget the power sliding rear door, which opens smoothly to reveal the luxury waiting inside. Everything about the rear design speaks of sophistication, practicality, and unmistakable Toyota quality. Step into the cockpit and you're instantly greeted by premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and an ultra-modern dashboard layout. A fully digital instrument cluster, paired with a floating infotainment screen, puts navigation and entertainment at your fingertips. The living space inside this motorhome version of the PROACE feels like a high-end lounge on wheels. Plush leather seating, custom cabinetry in rich wood finishes, and integrated smart lighting set the mood perfectly. Towards the rear, the PROACE transforms into a peaceful retreat. The bedroom area features a spacious, memory foam bed with customizable recline settings and built-in massage functions. Reading lights, USB charging ports, and clever storage compartments keep everything within arm's reach. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota PROACE is rumored to feature a choice of hybrid and fully electric powertrains. Expect smooth acceleration, excellent torque for carrying heavy loads, and a range exceeding 400 kilometers for the electric version. Toyota's commitment to safety continues with advanced driver assist systems, adaptive cruise control, and automatic lane keeping assist, making long journeys both safe and effortless. Given the premium build, cutting-edge tech, and luxurious interior, the starting price for the 2026 PROACE motorhome is predicted to be around $85,000 to $100,000. Optional packages like solar panels, off-road enhancements, and upgraded multimedia systems could push fully loaded models well above $120,000. Toyota hasn't officially announced the launch date yet, but industry insiders expect the new PROACE to hit European and Asian markets by late 2025, with North American availability following in early 2026. Pre-orders could begin as soon as mid-2025, as demand for luxury camper vans and lifestyle vans continues to soar.